Hey everyone, need to deposit cash at NAB Bank without a card? Here's a quick guide to help you do it effortlessly. Before heading out, ensure you have your cash ready and know your NAB account details. Then visit a nearby NAB branch or an ATM that supports cardless deposits. Alternatively, you can use the bank at the post service at any Australia Post outlet. This service allows you to deposit cash directly into your NAB account without a card. At the counter, provide your NAB account details to the staff. They will assist you with the deposit process. Hand over the cash to the staff and they will process the deposit. You may receive a receipt for your records. And that's it. You have successfully made a cardless deposit at NAB Bank, convenient and easy. Thanks for watching.